Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate USPS Intelligent Mail package tracking integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate USPS Intelligent Mail package tracking integration, begin by visiting the USPS website. Log in to your USPS account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the register button. Once logged in, navigate to the business section on the homepage. Click on Shipping Services in the drop-down menu. Locate the option for Intelligent Mail Services. Select Apply for Intelligent Mail Services from the list. Next, review the requirements and ensure you have your USPS account number. Complete the application form with your business information. Submit the application and wait for confirmation from USPS. After receiving confirmation, log back into your USPS account. Navigate to the API section in your account dashboard. Select Package Tracking API from the list of available APIs. Click on Enable Integration next to the Package Tracking API. You will be prompted to add your API key for authentication. Copy the API key from the confirmation email you received. Paste the API key in the required field and click Save. Review the integration details provided on the screen. Follow the instructions to integrate the API into your website or application. Test the integration to ensure it's functioning correctly. Check your USPS account for tracking updates and confirmation emails. Monitor your shipments using the Intelligent Mail Package Tracking System. Congratulations, you have now activated USPS Intelligent Mail Package Tracking integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.